everyone to the European Enterprise Promotion Awards. These awards celebrate projects driving entrepreneurship forward from many industries, age groups and countries.
And the winner of the category promoting the entrepreneurial spirit is Silicon Viestal.
Today's award to Silicon Viestal is also a testament to the innovation power of the people in Lower Bavaria and in all the other rural regions in Europe. And with such a innovation power, I don't fear about Europe's future. Thank you very much.
Genbish.
The Osnažene project has shown us that the power in woman means strength, not just for her family, but for the entire society.
Tartu Fin Fund.
Just go zero tillers.
Positive.
Could I please ask all the national winners in the room to stand up? And everybody, let's give them a round of applause. The winner of the Grand Jury Prize for 2024 is Just Go Zero Tilos, Municipality of Tilos.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our EEPA ceremony. I would like to thank you all for joining us today and celebrating these wonderful initiatives.